Whether you are a beginner sewist who is new to the idea of sewing with stretchy fabrics, or an experienced sewist looking for a quick Sunday afternoon project, there is something for everyone. Hey everyone, this is Gwen. Welcome to my sewing and DIY channel. The video today is a little different. Instead of me actually going through a sewing project, I'm actually going to be sharing a couple of free t-shirt sewing patterns. In this video today, I'll be going through 12 really cute t-shirt patterns that I found. Some of them are like basic short sleeve t-shirts, some of them are swing tanks, and we have one that's a really cute retro style one that I'm really excited about. I'll be going through information about the size range, the printing formats available, the type of instructions available, and how to get the free patterns. At the end of the video, I will also share what I think is the best pattern for a beginner sewist to try and what would be a nice project for an experienced sewist to tackle. I will also be sharing the pattern that requires the least amount of fabric if that's what you're looking for. I have my notes here and we're just gonna get going. The first pattern is the Toronto Tee by Rebecca Page. It's a standard boxy, loose-fitting t-shirt with short sleeves and a round neckline. It has a pretty impressive size range with the finished bust ranging from 38.6 inches to 61 inches. Now, to get the pattern, you have to head to the website, click on the button to say that you want to get your free pattern, put in your email address, and then an email containing the links to the patterns and the instructions and whatnot will be sent to your inbox. So you have to wait for a few minutes for things to be processed, and you also have to check your spam box or junk folder to make sure that it doesn't get lost in it. The second pattern is the Adult Swanky Tank by Petite Stitchery & Co. This is a really cute hip-length sleeveless swing tank that's probably really nice for like a casual but a little bit more dressed up kind of a Friday night out. I think it will look good with long necklaces. Now this pattern doesn't actually state the finished garment measurement, but it states that it's designed for a bust ranging from 31.5 to 51 inches. To get the free pattern, you will have to add the item to the cart and then check out by adding all your contact information and email and whatnot. The link to the free patterns will not be sent to your email. It will be directly available on the same web page right after checkout. So that's a little bit more convenient because you don't have to toggle between web pages and you don't have to kind of like wait for the thing to come in your inbox. Pattern number 3 is the Hemlock Tee by Grain Line Studio. It's another boxy, loose-fitting t-shirt design, and what I love about this pattern is the design variations that are available. So you can make it either cropped, mid-length, or a tunic, and with the sleeves you can make it short, 3/4 long, or long. It also comes in quite a decent size range with the finished bust measurement ranging from 41.5 inches to 68 inches. And the written instructions come with illustrations instead of photos. Now, I think the only potential problem with this pattern is the number of steps that you have to take to get to the free pattern. This is what you have to do. First, you need to sign up for the newsletter. Then you have to wait for an email to get into your inbox asking you to confirm your subscription. Then you need to click on the button to say that you are confirming your subscription. Then you need to wait for another email to get into your inbox that welcomes you into the Grainline community. And you need to scroll to the bottom of the email to get a code. Then with that code, you need to head back to the website, add the pattern to the cart, and then add the code that you got in the email at checkout to make it free. Feels a little bit like a bit of a treasure hunt. So a little bit more hassle than a lot of the other patterns right here, but could be worth it considering the design options available. Pattern number 4 is the Luna Tank by Helen's Closet. The Luna Tank is a sleeveless tank top with a flowy fit, and it comes in 2 length options, either cropped or tunic, I guess a little longer. It also comes with a deep scooped neckline on the back, which makes it perfect for summer, for days when you just need a little bit more airflow to like stay cool. They have provided finished garment measurement for both the high bust and the full bust. So the finished garment measurement for the high bust ranges from 33 inches to 55 inches, and the finished garment measurement for the full bust ranges from 41.5 to 63 inches. The pattern comes with an email sign up. All you have to do is click on the button to say that you want to get the Luna Tank, enter your email to subscribe to the newsletter, and an email containing the link to download the files needed to make the Luna Tank will be in your inbox. Pattern number 5 is the jersey top by Peppermint Magazine. Now, because Peppermint Magazine is a magazine, duh, and not a sewing pattern company, so there's quite a number of limitations to this free sewing pattern. It only fits bust of 28 to 42 centimeters, which is a little bit more limited, and there's only a copy shop / AO size available, so you have to have it printed at the shop. You can't print it at home. Also, it only comes with a 1-page written instructions with no illustrations whatsoever, so you definitely need a little bit of knowledge and experience in sewing to kind of understand it and to be able to put it together without any issues. Pattern number 6 is the curved hem pocket tank by Ellie and Mac. This is another pattern that comes in a pretty inclusive size range, so it's designed to fit bust from between 29 inches to 63 inches. And it also comes with everything. And by everything, I mean it comes with a copy shop printing version, it comes with a home printing version, it also comes with a projector sewing version, and it comes with written instructions with photos and a video instruction. So definitely perfect for people who are only just starting out with sewing and need a little bit more help. To get the free pattern, all you need to do is to add the item to the cart, check out, add your information, and once you are done, bada bim, bada boom, you get the page with the links to download all the files that you need to make the t-shirt. I forgot to mention this earlier, but Adult Swanky Tank by Petite Stitchery & Co. is the only other pattern that also offers a projector sewing file option. Are you into projector sewing? Because I've been thinking about getting into it. We'll see. Pattern number 6 is the Plantain t-shirt by Deer and Dope. So a lot of the patterns that I've mentioned so far are kind of swingy and flowy, but this one is a little bit more fitted, especially at the shoulders. And on the web page, they have also shown how it looks when it's tucked in. So for someone like me who likes things to be high-waisted and tucked in, it's easier for me to visualize what it's going to look like if I were to make it and if I were to style it. Short, long 3/4 sleeve options are also available for this design, and there's also an option to add elbow patches if you're into like something a little bit more cutesy. I hear that tweed is coming back. It's easy to get the pattern. All you need to do is sign up for an account. Very straightforward. Pattern number 8 is the Mandy boat top by Tessuti Fabrics. If I had said the name wrong, you can correct me in the comment section. Anyway, the Mandy boat top has a neckline that is different from all the other patterns that we've seen. It has this retro style boat neckline, and similar to the hemlock tee, it also has drop sleeves, which makes it way easier to sew and to fit. It's designed for bust ranging from between 81 to 116 centimeters. Now, it's really easy to get the free pattern. All you need to do is add the item to the cart and check out, and an email with the link to download the free pattern will be sent directly to your inbox. Pattern number 9 is the Anything But Basic Women's Tee by DIBY Club. Now, I mean, it is actually a basic t-shirt, but unlike so many other patterns that I've mentioned before this that come with a loose fitting bodice, this one is a little bit more fitted. They describe it as a relaxed fit, so it's not fitted, but it's more fitting than a loose fitting t-shirt. I think I'm just going round and round about this, but okay, relaxed fit, okay? And it's got neckline options, which is something that we haven't really seen so far. You can make this in a high crew neck, regular crew, or a scoop neck. It also comes with 4 sleeve options: short, 3/4, elbow, and long. So that is pretty impressive. They have also included detailed information about sizing and fitting for both the upper bust and the full bust. To get the free pattern, all you need to do is add the item to the cart and click checkout, and the page for downloading the files to make the pattern will be available immediately after. Easy peasy. I've had a look at the instructions, and I must say that amongst all the 12 patterns that I'm sharing in this video, this Anything But Basic instructions is definitely one of the best. The instructions are very detailed. It even includes information on how to do bust adjustments and how to grade the pattern to fit your body exactly in the way that you want it to. So if you're into adjusting a pattern specifically to your body, then this is a pattern not to be missed. Pattern number 10. Listen, my heart practically stopped when I found this pattern and also saw that it was free. It seems almost unbelievable, but the Vera Knit top by Forget Me Not patterns is basically everything that I dream of in a quote-unquote basic t-shirt pattern. So it is actually a long sleeve t-shirt pattern that comes with a V neckline, which is unlike everything that we've seen so far that is kind of like a high or rounded neckline. And the sleeve options are just so dreamy. There is the flared sleeve option, and there is the bishop sleeve options with either a long cuff or a short cuff. Now, these sleeve options just make me think of late 60s, early 70s go-go style. This is the pattern that I'm gonna be sewing. Unfortunately, the size range is a little smaller than a lot of the other patterns that I've shared so far. It's designed for a bust ranging from 28.5 to 48.5 inches. To get the free pattern, all you need to do is to add the item to the cart and then check out. The page to download the files will be available immediately after, and another link that takes you to the PDF files will also be sent to your email. Pattern number 11 is another basic t-shirt. It's the core t-shirt by Closet Core Patterns, and it's designed to fit a bust ranging from 31 to 52 inches. And just like so many other patterns before, you have home printing and copy shop file formats available, and the pattern also comes with written instructions with illustrations. To get the free pattern, all you need to do is to add the item to the cart and check out, and then a page with all the links to download the pattern will be available to you. An email containing the link to download your files will also be sent to your inbox. And for some reason, there was some error where it said, "Hi Heather, this is your order confirmation." I don't know, some kind of mistake. Final pattern of this list, we have the Crossback Tank by Emily from Life So Savory. This sleeveless tank top has a really unique crossback design, and it's designed to accommodate bust sizes ranging from 30 inches to 48 inches. And to get the free pattern, all you need to do is to add it to the cart and check out. The only potential hassle, is hassle the right word? I guess inconvenience when it comes to using the pattern is that the written instructions doesn't come as a separate PDF file to download. You will have to look through it on Emily's blog, and there are a number of ads on the blog, so if you have issues with sieving through information and getting distracted by things popping up, then that could be a potential issue. So many patterns, so little time. I know 12 patterns is a lot to process, so I'm gonna help you out here. If you are a beginner sewist who is looking into embarking on a career in sewing with knits, then I would recommend the Curved Hem Pocket Tank by Ellie & Meg, because like I mentioned, it comes with video sewing tutorial, so that's something to bear in mind if you learn better through videos. Now, if you want an option that comes with sleeves, then I would recommend the Anything But Basic pattern. Like I said earlier, it comes with very detailed instructions, and I love that it's got so many design options. So once you have kind of made one and are comfortable with the process of sewing with knits, then you can go on to make a lot more other designs. Now, if you are not afraid of a little bit of a challenge and you are a more experienced sewist, then I would recommend the Vera Knit top, because it is unlike any of the other free t-shirt patterns that I've mentioned, and the style is just amazing. Now, if you're looking for a project that requires the least amount of fabric, then the Luna Tank by Helen's Closet is definitely the top contender. Depending on the size that you're making, you will only require 0.8 to 1.4 yards of fabric for a 60-inch wide fabric. So I hope you've enjoyed this little pattern roundup. All the information that I've shared here will be available on my blog for you to review. Don't forget to share this with all of your friends who love sewing. Leave a comment and let me know which pattern is your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing, DIY, and perhaps a little bit of fun. See ya!